Hello everybody. So today we are going to have the absolutely stunning Raveena Tandon joining us on our Insta Live, and we're just waiting for her to join in. Should be here any minute now. In the meanwhile, yes, we've got lots of people joining in. A lot of my friends are joining in. Lovely. That's fab. So Raveena should be here with us any second. I guess I've started a little earlier. Hi everybody. How are you all? Okay, so let's see, Raveena. We're waiting for Raveena to come on board. Fab. A lot of people joining in. Obviously, Raveena is very popular. Fantastic. Okay. So, wait, we still don't have her here. She should be joining us any minute now. Hello everybody. What's up? Well, you have to wait for all the good things in life. We are waiting for Raveena to come, join our live. Any minute she should be here. Yes, we have lots of people joining in. I guess all of you can hear me quite clearly. Well, I guess I need to invite her. Okay. Now I have a lot of people asking to be on our live, but I don't have Raveena here with us as yet. She will be here soon. She will definitely be here in the next couple of minutes, I guess. Have I joined before 5? Ah, there we go. Yeah, Raveena here. There we have her. Raveena is here with us. Hey, hello. So we have the ravishing Ravina here with us.
You know, very strange thing. I went on the account, the one
Right.
following
Hmm?
Global Spa, and I tried to connect through that. It just wasn't, your light just wasn't showing up on the
Oh,
regular account.
oh my God. All right. Like I was telling everybody, you have to wait for all the good things in life. That is what we all have to wait for you. So good things don't come that
That,
easy.
that.
So that is why we have to wait for you today. And how are you looking so gorgeous in the lockdown?
I'm keeping my
Seriously.
fitness. I'm keeping my fitness absolutely alive, and
Look
I'm
like.
healthy, and I'm loving the rest also that I'm getting. So actually, it's not most of the time. Sometimes when we work out a lot, you know
Yeah.
what happens is that when we work out a lot, we are working also at the same time. So there's a lot of, you're tired most of the time. Then you're like, oh, I have to hit the gym again. Over here, I think this has been a break in a way. Unfortunately, we have the tragedy that's unfolding around us.
Yeah.
Besides all that, I do feel there is a slight silver lining in all this that has happened. I think besides our own planet breathing again,
Right.
I think for all of us also, it's been a, kind of an enforced break.
True. True.
So I'm keeping my hair natural. I'm keeping my self healthy. No blow dries, no tongs, no burning of the hair. I'm just using natural cleansers, all organic stuff, doing all ghar ka organic things. So I'm really, really enjoying it. It's like almost like going back to basics.
Yeah. So, guys, looking at Ravina, I can say an introduce her. Not that she needs any introduction, but Ravina Tandon, the ravishing lady, talented actor, environmentalist, winner of so many awards and accolades. And the one award that I love talking about the most is the Global Spa Award for Women of Substance. That is what Ravina really is, an absolute woman of substance.
Thank
So,
you.
a beauty, achiever, and I have to say, above all, the best thing about Ravina is that she is a true friend and a lovely person. So, it's so glad, we are so glad, all of us at Global Spa are so happy to have you with us. Love you, darling. So, let's start with how is a day in Ravina's life? Before all the questions start bombing in, I'm going to ask my questions. What is a day in Ravina's life during the lockdown?
Well, at the moment, my daughter is going through her unit tests, and
Hmm.
then after a week, her final exams are going to start. She's in the ninth, so a lot of my attention and time is actually going on to her. So as soon as I wake up in the morning, I first go down to her because then she's awake and she's revising her next paper, and I sit with her. I see that she's had her breakfast and everything.
Okay.
Uh, yeah, then I come back, come up, then there is tea, then the lunch is being planned, then I go and rustle about in the kitchen because both my kids have different lunch breaks. So 12 o'clock
Okay.
son's lunch break from his virtual school, and 1 o'clock is my daughter's. So I see to it that their lunches are ready at that time. Then I have to see to my cat and my four
Wow.
dogs, and then my poor husband.
He comes last, huh? It looks.
Actually in the same order. He's nodding at the order.
We're going to tell this. We're going to send this to Anil for sure.
He's watching this right now. But anyway,
Okay.
so the thing is that it's the day goes off in that, and then seeing the house and then the cleaning of the house because a lot of our staff is not coming. In fact, we've yeah. But my request, जो सब देख रहे हैं इस समय, whoever's let go of their staff, please see to it कि ये ऐसा time. See who has just jumped in. Say
Oh,
hi.
how cute. Oh, Kitty, how sweet.
That's my
Wow.
Uma. Say hi. Say hi.
Hello.
Struggling to go. Say hi.
Oh,
Hi. She just gave me a dap.
wow. The only one who probably has the guts to do it.
Yeah. So anyway, I was actually, Parinita, thinking about this, and there's a very important message that we need to give to everyone कि जो स्टाफ अभी तक नहीं गए हैं और जो गए भी हैं अभी, so many of staff who are not coming home, लेकिन वो अपने घरों में बंद हैं, but we are seeing that हर महीने पिछले 2 महीने से उनकी सैलरी उनको टाइम पे हम RTGS कर रहे हैं, हम उनके अकाउंट में ट्रांसफर कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि बहुत जरूरत है इस समय. एंड आई फील, मेरी ये विनती है लोगों से कि प्लीज जिन जिन के स्टाफ ऐसे इस सिचुएशन में हैं, जो आपके घर में आके आपका काम नहीं कर सकते इस समय, लेकिन प्लीज उनकी सैलरी जरूर जारी रखिए जहां तक कि आप अपने हैसियत से आप लोगों की मदद कर सके. प्लीज ये रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप करें. सो दिस इज समथिंग दैट वी हैव कंटिन्यूड डूइंग फॉर ऑल आवर स्टाफ. बट whatever skeleton staff we have at home, हम सब मिलजुल के सफाई कर रहे हैं through the day. We are cooking, everyone's taking turns to cook, and everyone's doing their own thing. So that is how my regular day goes. But now next week, actually, I am, last week I was doing readings for a script that I'll be starting as soon as it's over. So we've been doing script readings also in the middle. So yes, that's my whole day encapsulated. But what is really, really important is the fitness level that we are all, I think it's very important for us to do. Around 5:36 at 5:30, it's still too hot. 6 o'clock, we all make it a point to go up onto the terrace, and we are jogging, exercising. Anil is doing yoga, so all of us are there up. Our music is on, and for that 1.5 hours till 7:30, we are all doing some kind of a workout. It can be different forms of a workout, because that's a good break also. Now from the house, we look forward to ke sham ko jaake terrace pe, good break. You feel lighter, you feel happier, you feel you've gone out. And the best part is कि हम लोग ने अपना खुद terrace कभी इतना life में नहीं देखा होगा. 10 साल से I'm in this house. What I'm noticing my terrace now, because we never found the time to go up.
Exactly.
And we see neighboring people, everyone on the terrace now. Everyone waves out to each other from the terraces. People are walking and doing things. So I think it's in a way everyone's keeping their spirits high, and mental. Parinita, so important. So important.
Exactly. And of course, you're getting lots of family time, which you usually don't get, I guess. I mean, with all work and with Anil out, you out. So I'm sure the kids are loving it or they're hating it.
Well, the kids are loving the fact that they don't have to wake up at an insane hour to go to school. So they always complain is कि school इतनी जल्दी सुबह क्यों होता है? Why can't it be at a normal time, like we wake up आराम से and go? So they're loving the fact that they're at home, and somehow I feel it's I'm getting more time with them. We're all eating lunch together. They are around. They are, yes, screen time has become a lot more, which we were doing earlier, but now we don't have a choice. But what's happening, yeah. So I feel, Parinita, you and me are sitting somewhere together and just chatting. I don't feel.
I'm getting that feeling. Even I'm getting that feeling.
I'm getting हम लोग घर पे बैठ के as usual we are having our coffee and chatting.
Exactly. It's really feeling like that, yeah. So tell me, what are you missing the most during the lockdown? What is it that you're missing the most?
To be honest, I'm missing just going to my parents' house very often. That is one thing. Not just in Juhu, but still because of that we are not going. The only time I took permission to go was her birthday, and so they are senior, and I keep taking essentials for them because I don't want them going out of the house. That's the only thing I'm worried about. They are happy in their own this thing, so I've told them also come here. But my brother Rajiv is there with them, so so those three are doing pretty okay. But whenever I'm going from here, I pile up my car with essentials and stuff, and I take it there. So we had a lovely Zoom birthday for her on 13th May. That was fun. But that's the only thing, honestly, that I'm missing. Being close to them, or them coming over every Sunday. Lunch used to be a family lunch.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I'm really very happy the way we are, that we've gone back to basics. It's a quieter surrounding. There are no horns and cars, and you can actually go up on your terraces these days and breathe in the fresh air.
Exactly.
Which I don't think for years we had done in Mumbai. Our air otherwise had the taste of smoke and dust particles, and you were inhaling all that every day.
Absolutely.
So to our cities and are living ourselves. And then we wonder why so many people around us are, dying of various other diseases. Is because
Right.
we our planet so much. We are all organisms, right? We need
Hmm.
a healthy, organic kind of a living, which I think
Hmm.
even we are realizing yet. It's sad, but it's true. I mean, that's how
Yeah,
I.
that's true. That's true. That's true. I mean, Delhi, the pollution has gone down amazingly. I mean, I
Yeah,
think from 400, it's come down to 50, which is like unheard of in Delhi. But
yeah.
once the lockdown opens, we'll all be back to the same old rat race, I guess. Hopefully not, but
Human beings never learn their lesson.
yeah,
Will
for
never
some
learn.
time, hopefully, for some time, hopefully,
Yeah, we'll go back to the same
yeah,
madness.
we'll go back to the same madness. But at least for some time, things will be better. The earth will get the time to heal.
I
So
hope.
you have been doing beauty talkies with rats. Tell us something about that.
Well, I'm a strong believer in all things organic, as you do know. I have
Yes.
always been a lot of organic products, and that's not only for our own body and our own
Right.
system, but it is even for the planet's health.
Okay.
Um, imagine the world. Imagine just it's a very small example I'm giving you.
Hmm.
The shampoos and the conditioners that we use.
Right.
Not the only people who are using it. We are not the only. We take one shampoo and you see the amount of foam that goes down the drains. The world is using this, right?
Hmm.
Imagine the amount of chemicals we are putting back into the ground with the water that goes back as groundwater. Those
Hmm.
stay in the soil. We are
Correct.
flushing chemicals into the sea. Then we are eating the sea life. There's so many non-vegetarians who are eating fish and
Hmm.
stuff and lobsters, which I don't eat at all because I mean they are cooked very cruelly as well.
Right.
But so it's a cycle. We are putting in the chemical and we are consuming that chemical and plastics back through the form of every kind of life that is coming back through, whether it is through sea life or
Right.
it is through our very own air, the tiny tiny particles of this that we are inhaling also every day. So human beings were not meant to probably go so chemical. That is not how this planet evolved. If we had stuck to our basics and used more organic stuff, I think that would have really, really helped, this planet to live a healthier life. So
Correct.
if
Correct.
planet is, we will be healthy.
Hmm.
You see, so
Very
it's
true.
entire cycle. It's a chain. It's a human
Hmm.
cycle. So that is
Right.
very important, and I really advocate that. So for me, beauty talkies is all about natural products, what you can
Hmm.
do, what are the ingredients that you can use, and what effects it can have on you. Like a simple orange, you know,
Right.
we just throw away the skin, but if you use the skin and you rub it on your elbows, and you get a lot of ladies get these black spots on their elbows
Hmm.
and this stuff, that's a whitening agent, and it's a
Absolutely.
natural agent, so you're not using chemicals like bleach, etc.
Hmm.
Do that every day as a practice, and you're using natural, organic things for your body. So that is what I feel is very, very important for us to
Hmm.
think uh, of the future. Forget about us. Half our lives are over. We are in the departure lounge. Probably very soon we are going to be in
No,
the
not really. Not really. But yes, we have to think of the next generation for sure.
what
Yeah.
generations? What kind of a sick, chemically, destroyed planet are we handing over to them? They will never forgive us.
Yeah. True. 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 Yeah. We have to.
Whether it's plastic in the seas and in the oceans, or it is
Hmm.
chemicals in our groundwater and our soil, that's what we are consuming back.
Very true. Very true. Very true.
So
So beauty talkies is all about natural.
about going natural, and every week I give a natural, solution for whatever, whether it's for hair loss, it's for
Hmm.
skin, for acne, it's for your eyes, it's for your lips, it's for your nails, or keeping your hands moisturized. Simple tips that you can just do at home.
Yeah. And do you follow them all yourself also? It looks like you do from the way your skin is glowing.
I mean, if you'll see my hair, it's not that fake artificial conditioning. I'm using an organic bar right now, organic bar shampoo. I don't have the need to. I'm not doing any kind of tonging and frying my hair because that will your hair completely. So
Absolutely.
as you can go, I mean, if you see my past episodes, also I've given solutions for a lot of different things. Right now, I've used Rita bar for my hair, Rita and Amla mix bar.
Oh,
That
okay.
does become rough. I keep it oiled most of the time when I'm not shooting like this with you. Then I wash it with Rita. And but then at that same time, if you comb it out, the hair will be a bit rough. You'll find your hair rough, but then that's the natural texture of your hair. Conditioners are actually a fake shine to your hair. So
Yeah,
only
that's true. That's true.
do I use those conditioners, etc.
So yeah, this is the time when you can actually do a lot of all this because we're all at home. So it's very good value for all of us to keep
And
seeing those
yeah,
episodes of yours.
and simply, I mean, I tell people, like for example, if you like you have a thing that you have to do, or you have to, do a Zoom call, you want to look pretty on beach waves, just use little damp hair of yours, just dampen your hair a bit, make thick chotis and leave it, and next morning you have these lovely beach curls. So
Good.
home and doing these things and loving it.
Nice. Nice. Those are nice tips and tricks, huh? Good.
The 90s, that's what we used to do. I barely used to use these crimpers and stuff. All those songs of where you see I have crimped hair are actually those 10, 20 tiny, tiny, tiny braids that I used to sleep at night. And then I used to open it out when I was shooting in Switzerland or wherever. And that crimped hair used to stay tagged, like intact for like 5 days till the song is over. So no continuity problem.
Wow, wow. So, tell me now, what has been your most favorite memory while you have been shooting? Tell us something interesting some nice, interesting incident.
I think a lot of this generation loves watching Andaz Apna Apna. And Andaz Apna a funny film and it will remains one of the favorites of everyone. Well, the memories of that film are so nice. Actually, this afternoon I was just thinking of Saroj Khan ji. I haven't seen her in so long and I don't know why. She just came in my thoughts and I was wondering about her. Hope she's doing well. Last time when I saw her, she was not doing that well. I have such wonderful memories of Andaz Apna Apna, myself, Ishwar Bidri ji, the cameraman, Amir, Rajkumar Santoshi ji. We all used to have so much fun. Then there was Lolo and Salman when we used to be shooting with them. And we'd all be playing pranks on each other and doing so much musty and so much fun. It's that togetherness, that human bonding that sometimes I do miss while shooting these days. So we used to play these innocent pranks, like Amir would take a kada and roll it up in a rubber band, and it would just pop up like a Jack in the Box, and he used to scare me. Oh, see, I bought for my wife. I bought. At that time, he was married to Reena. I remember during Andaz Apna Apna. So he said, "Oh, I bought a silver kada for Reena, and just see how it is. Is it nice or not?" And Saroji also said, "Yeah, yeah." So Saroji was on the trick. Yeah, yeah, just check it out. Is it nice and all? And open the paper and, brrr, and this thing would fly out. So these innocent pranks all play on each other, and then how we ran an empty camera on Amir and made him dance for like 10 minutes till he realized actually it was running an empty camera on him. So these were
For that.
fun memories. Yes.
Yeah, I know. We've heard that he's a big prankster. Doesn't look it, but well, I guess. So, tell me, uh, okay, so tell us what's next. I have some questions asking, what are you going to be doing next? What's on the anvil? What are we going to get to see? When are we going to get to see you on the big screen
But
again?
I saw while going up a lot of names, some lovely people, Sachin Kaushik, Sair Khan, Shubh Akhil. I just want to say hello to all of you and thank you for watching Parinita and me. We love you all. Reema Pandit, I saw big laughter coming through, and I can see makeup by Vidya Jagdap. Vidya is my hairdresser, so she's also saying because I'm talking about the hair and everything. So Vidya ji, namaskar. I hope aap theek hain. Somit Diashi ji, Daisy, lots of love to you all. Virat, Vaibhav, Mr. Zen. Anyway, sorry, Parinita, your
Yes. No, there are a lot of people, and a lot of people have asked me to also take their names, but we'll do that. We'll do that a bit later.
I know
So
we will.
we will.
So guys, we love.
you know, since the time I told some of my friends that I've got Ravina on an Insta Live, they've been after me कि हमारा नाम जरूर लेना. So when I
Oh,
find them here, I will definitely take the name. And let me tell you, your fans just keep growing, growing, and growing. You have so many fans. It's like
you know,
amazing.
I'm not so active on social media. I've just started a while ago. So,
Hmm.
and I think under pressure from my entire Digi team, my stylist Surina
Mhm.
Kakkar,
I can
really
imagine.
my work, and all my crew, whether it is Bhavin and Shura and everyone, my entire team. Now I'm really missing them, and they kind of pressurize me. No, no, you have to be on social media. You have to do this also, and I'm like, yaar, ab kya ye sab karna? They're like, no, people still want to see you. Why are you going in
Absolutely.
time?
Absolutely. I
So
don't
I
know why you think people won't want to see you. You have a huge fan base. Trust me. I mean,
So I feel really honored, and thank you so much for all of y'all, whoever's following me also on Instagram, and this new fad my daughters now got me stuck to is this TikTok. So
well,
oh yeah, but social media as such, there's a dangerous side to it as well, where I'm seeing a lot of quite a lot of bad things coming out of TikTok days, and
yes.
all to ban it. But there are a lot of fun things also in it. So there will be good and bad people in everything and every
Always.
so
Always. It's
but I do feel that these social media channels, they need to be a lot more vigilant to see that
hmm.
not taken over in a negative way. As long as it's clean, healthy, fun, it's good.
Yeah. Okay. So we have a question from somebody. They're asking, what is your favorite place to eat?
Well, my favorite place used to be to eat, honestly, is a Indian restaurant called Urban Tarka, which is
Okay.
your side of town, I think, by
Yeah.
Nita. They've got the
Yes.
best Indian khana ever. And then there is most definitely I love Japanese and I love Chinese. So I do like yuacha, I like Hakkasan, I like Chin Chin, and there's one new place that opened in Juhu also. That's also nice. Chin Chin Chu it was called, and
Mhm.
so all these yeah, it's a mix of places that I really like, and then my gali ka se puri wala, I used to love him. Poor chap. I
Of
hope he's gone
course.
home
I know. Yeah.
so
I'm
long.
feeling bad for all these Golgappa walas and all who we used to eat from. But well,
I hope they reach home safe and then come back when everything is fine.
yeah, exactly. So with the plethora of names you've given us, I already know that you're a foodie. How do you manage to stay so well? How do you manage to look so good despite all the food that you love eating? What do you do?
So there
Perfect
is
10 on 10 every time I've seen you, Ravina.
my
That I can vouch for.
you just love me, so that's why you
Of
feel that.
course, I love you. Everybody loves you.
So well, our friends,
Yes.
my Rohini Iyer, whom I love very much, Manasa Nadiadwala, whom I love very much. So these two will always be on my case to look the
Yes.
way and most definitely I would say that Afifa has played a great part in she's my best friend come dietitian. So the day I'm going off and I suddenly feel, oh god, now I've gone little berserk, I call her for emergency,
I
what to do,
know.
good
I
health.
know.
So that is for sure. And then there is my own way of exercising. So
Right.
which that even though we are under lockdown and everything, you have to find things around your house to
Right.
do to stay fit. Another one of my best friends, who's again a very common friend and a very good friend of ours, Nawaz Modi Sanghania.
Right.
So does these stay-at-home fitness packages now, which she's doing at home. So if you go on her Insta, you'll see every day what she's doing, what she's teaching you to do. You can exercise with your chair, on your table, with your bed, push-ups, pull-ups, however. So it's very important, like I said, and we started that to maintain that fitness. And yes,
Mm.
of course, follow me on Beauty Talkies with Ravs, because I'll give you the natural to keep your.
Exactly. So, and we just asked you what is next? What is coming up next? You're keeping that a secret.
Well, no, I have signed on a show that I was supposed to be shooting in April for, but now, yes, definitely has been postponed indefinitely. But we've
Hmm.
already started script readings for. So KGF 2, that is a film with Yash and with Sanjay Dutt, which I had already finished shooting in Feb for. So that to release obviously when this lockdown is over. We still have a dubbing and all. Luckily, the entire shooting schedule was over of the
Okay.
film, doing that. So that is there, and then this next show is there, and I don't remember. Rima, are you on the chat? What are we doing next?
You don't remember?
I can say, seriously. She's Rima's following our live right now.
Right.
So
Okay, so that's great. That
this
so I have been also seeing all the pictures that you've been putting with Rasha. My God, she's looking stunning and singing. She's so talented. I
yeah,
mean, is
she
she going to also start singing or acting, or what is going to
right
happen?
now her focus is singing. She loves singing and she does a lot of jazz. Though she's learning Indian classical also with Shankar Mahadevan's Academy,
Oh,
and she
wow.
but her focus is jazz. She loves jazz. So right now, keeping everything aside, her only focus is 10th standard now. What will happen next year? So right
Right.
now, in the back seat, and right now she just keeps a gun on my head and makes me do these funny TikToks. So, so that's how we're killing time at home. Love from Punjab. Punjab, I love you too. Uh,
Yes.
Someone said love from Punjab. Didn't take the name, just said love from Punjab. Malhotra, hello. Hello, Iran. I love you too. Um, there's some.
Yes, there's just so many of them. Ramina, ma'am, I am a big fan of your nose. Wow. Somebody wants to gift you a diamond nose pin, Ravina.
Oh, how sweet.
How
Please
sweet.
send it to
They love
Paris.
your nose. We want to gift you a diamond nose pin.
How
Thank
sweet.
you.
I love you. But save that diamond right now. It might help you.
I
But
know.
so much I treasure the very thought that आपने कहा कि diamond nose ring भेजेंगे. उतना ही मेरे
Okay.
लिए. Thank you so much, जी.
How sweet. How sweet. Okay,
Delhi.
I'm going to ask you three quick questions.
हाँ.
What do you prefer, spa or shop?
Spa or shop? Spa or shop? So, are you kidding me? This is not a choice. Spa or shop? Spa.
I'm trying to put you on a spot.
I think
I'm only
spa.
trying to put you in a spot.
I think
Spa?
spa. क्योंकि मतलब you know I feel shopping तो चलो you can do whenever whatever कर लिया थोड़ा बहुत makes you feel happy temporary. But a spa is when hi Virag. Spa is when you're just just chilling absolutely and doing nothing. So
Absolutely.
it's a complete wellness experience which I love.
Yes, of course. And which is the first place you're going to travel to once this lockdown is over and the flight start?
I don't think I am going to be traveling very soon because, like I said, my daughter has a final exams and all. But if I had a wish list, I don't know, somewhere in the mountains or a jungle. It has to be either. Or it has to be. I'm waiting to go to Javai. I'm waiting to go to back to Ranthambore again. I'm waiting to go to Corbett Park. I love the Indian jungle. I just am in love with the Indian jungle. There's nothing like. I mean, people talk about South African safaris and everything.
Mhm.
Nuts. The mystery and the romance of the Indian jungle. I want to go to Bandhavgarh. I haven't been to Bandhavgarh yet. But a lot of the I've done most of the jungles of India, and I keep running back to that. But yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm actually going to wait to go to my farm and just be there for a
Mhm.
couple of days, then maybe think of traveling.
Okay, so my next question was going to be beaches or hills, but I think you've answered that.
Yeah,
What is it? Beaches or hills?
I
Hills.
answered that. The hills and
Yes,
the hills and the jungle.
hills and the jungles. And what do you prefer, Pilates or yoga?
Yoga.
Okay. So what kind of yoga asanas do you do, and do you do it regularly or?
I do a lot of. I don't do like a yoga class, but I do a lot of pranayam and I do a lot of Surya Namaskars. So
Hmm.
that takes care of everything. So yeah, I try different stances sometimes, but asanas sometimes, but not really. I'm not very experimental with my yoga.
Okay. So you do the typical yoga, the regular yoga, that is it.
The regular, that's enough. Yeah, that keeps me fit.
So I'm getting so many people saying, okay, please come back to films, please come back to films. So this is popular demand.
But KGF I just did, so they should wait for KGF.
They should wait for KGF. When is KGF going to release though?
They should watch Matra. I did Matra recently.
Yes, of course.
Matra is on Amazon, so please do watch it, everyone. Matra is on Amazon.
And have you been doing any binge watching?
Yes, I have. I've been
You
watching.
have?
Yeah.
So recommend us, what should we also binge watch?
Well, I've been watching all different kind of stuff. I love watching Fauda, which is on Netflix. You start it's seasons. That is something you can just completely binge watch. I loved Caliphate, which is again on Netflix. Then and then I watched a few from Amazon. So all of these have stuff to offer. So it depends on what you really choose. Right now, I'm watching a Russian historical, which is called The Road to Cavalry. So, so I watched the Tudors. I watched, Anne Boleyn. I watched the Boleyn sisters. I saw a spate of all that. The Crown. So I'm a lot into history. I love historicals.
Okay, so you have everybody, a whole lot of people. My God, the questions are moving so fast, I can't even see them. But everybody is only sending you love. There are, hello, how are you, ma'am? You're looking beautiful. Those are the questions that keep coming up. Somebody said, Tip Tip Barsa Pani. Well, you're known for all those songs. We can't, must, and Tip Tip Barsa Pani. Well, that's always there. Okay, and would you like to give a message to our Global Spa readers?
Well, my message would be at the moment is stay safe, stay healthy, stay fit. Mental health is also very, very important. So if you see any of your friends or your family or your relatives feeling really low and not being able to talk about it, try and bring them back into the mainstream, try and talk to them, try and ease their problems, because a lot of cases that we are seeing these days is that people are tackling with depression. So that is a very, very important thing that one has to look after. Also, jitni jo bhi aapki haisiyat hai, please go out. There are a lot of charities and a lot of funds where are helping people out. So this is the time where humanity needs to shine and we need to help people out.
Okay, that's perfect. There's so many hellos coming in, and I think, let me see if there's any interesting. Everybody's just sending you love you, Raveena, ma'am. My God. Wow, they can't get over just saying love you, Raveena, ma'am only.
So sweet. Sunny Cool 007, Raj Devir, Ashima Bashi, Devi Rathore, Amir from USA.
Wow.
Archu 25. Would you see? I would love to.
So happy that you're taking everybody's name. Please say hi to Manish. He's a big fan of yours. Especially asked me to say, please ask her to say hello, Manish.
Enraj Nayak, Vaibhav POV, Manish Banna 13, Kirpi Hamid, Farooq Raisi. Anyway, I think it's time for me to wind up, Parinita. I was supposed to be with someone.
I know. It's just that everybody's sending you so much of love. So I just thought it would be nice for you to quickly send them.
Love from Nepal. And, I love Nepal.
Thank you so much, Raveena. Love you, darling. Can't wait to hug you. But for now, this will have to do.
Virtual hug.
Bye. Bye-bye. Bye.